Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Lasoo tool in Bluebeam. So this could actually be Lasoo or Lasoo tool in Bluebeam. All right, so the lasso tool in Bluebeam Review lets you quickly select multiple markups using a freeform shape instead of a rectangular box. So it's especially useful when the markups you want to select are irregularly arranged or surrounded by other objects you don't want to include. And here's exactly how you do it. So just open your PDF in Bluebeam Review, just something like what I have here. Then go to the top menu and click on edit. Then from here just go ahead and select lasso, and you can actually also press shift and O on your keyboard to activate the lasso tool instantly. So once the tool is active, just move your cursor into the document, click and hold the left mouse button, then just go ahead and draw a freeform outline around the markups that you want to select. And as you draw, Bluebeam displays a dotted line following your cursor. So here is it. So you can see that they have this dotted line. So let's say that's what I want to do. Okay, now, when you've enclosed the desired markup, simply release the mouse button and Bluebeam automatically closes the lasso shape and selects every markup that is either completely inside the shape or interacts the boundary of the lasso. So you know the selection was successful when the selected markups display via control handles. Okay, so now that they're selected, you can perform several actions at once, including to move all selected markups to a new collection, new location, or to resize them together, copy and paste them. Just whatever. I don't really have so much here, so this is more like a drawing, so it feels like nothing is here. So let's choose another document. So there's something you should actually know. The lasso tool only selects markups. So that's why it feels like whatever it's selecting here, it feels like nothing is going on. And that's because these are not markups. It only selects markups. So it does not select the original PDF content, such as embedded text, images, or drawing elements that are part of the document itself. So if you need to work with the underlying PDF content instead of markups, you will need to use the appropriate editing or content tools available in your version of Bluebeam Review. All right, but then the lasso tool selects only markups. So just do what I've said. After you've activated lasso, just draw it around whatever you want. And from there, once you've selected it, you can move all selected markups to a new location. You can resize them together. You can copy and paste them. You can delete them. You can change their properties such as color, line thickness, or capacity. You can group them so they behave as a single markup, and you can align or distribute them using the alignment tools. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.